na Badwam dwumadie no ahya se enuanom bebre ka ho na ema etumide Badwam dwumadie no bro Esther Ann na no pe osiesie me adrodro me na watoma no kama etwemanim aka ho na Ampedu Priscilla dache hene ene Brian din abrofo din kakrakai Ampedu mpacha oboame yenua be mai aha mo nyina aka ho ne sound na yenua bai so a wotwa camera no na yaka bom ai na yede Badwam dwumadie no bro ofa Thomas ne wofa se wanso ejina camera na chi omo boaye enti champion so de bibia sese masum ne tenenka opani kwasi nsia so na aye krado ye okrado bon krata no na te se Badwam dwumadie no abo ano enti rain off anti na mankai no rain off at say
Ampedu
haji kwesi mpacho mache
meje so lady bako
okay so Ampedu say na me from Bra Bismarck and the Bra Bismarck mpacho mache
ndem de Jessica tie ne
bisu bi ni sika be ma
ko adwuma bi ma
aha de Ampedu kan o ti bi akaye ba wanting tie fa ne sa kwesi mpacho mache
bako dia ma me shira
Adom
ede ya mi aseya ade ache biem
nyame de na ache
nanso de bokata no obi eka galamsefo a ya jelium galamsefo ya jelem galamsefo ya jelium sa tiaja almost 187 jailed in Eastern region alone.
Eastern region one?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Over illegal mining.
Na nsenya modern bonu a ye dey to galamsey as anasa na anu nyina akontabo ne
akontabo ne kabom. We from 2017.
Okay.
And I see like I said so 250 people on trial.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Enti ye koye nimti ye chisa nkrofo nyina gum na se we nyina so say gina kono dia o senka saben kensu na bibi hwe ma me kire nura Jerry Justice ono fie kwanso e show video bi pa takwa na me wura ho se amanfo a ma lady o mutetakwa ye bunsu a we de nyeti o on quota before some be quota no so mo ade bi o mo de faso ai sa kala ni bi eno obi bu efri ne bathhouse obi le pipe ensu a wo bie e on the bathhouse ensu a wo bie on the bathhouse mame obu a sakala no eneba takwa na musam se enu sei na Ghana waterfall de bette sanso ye ni enu sei eno sai ene ele tie betim kwade ate sa ensuo we pa ene ye ka se so bia ye bo no kodu bia se onim galamse won bia se enye no kore eti hwan mo na eye
samafo
obia ye bo ne dia bata galamse won bia se minim ho hwe eti hwan mo na eye Basi mame debi aso me kan say aban penifo over the years and so emwa mining communities no and you can be see emabru ne ani bra mo de etie si galamsey site no any two ahodo esi ekọ galamsey site no I was saying ka catch us sabren ka de humbia be hye mabru mu akomo jai but omuso fi say gold diamond bauxite ya ma kwa ma manfo etu firi ma saase so ekono enfa so ben no munya de firi so ma me ne ko bo ase e kro bank etu gold e firi mo e ka do one was at least e reflect wa manfo na brabom e to mo sika na o mbe hye o mo me galam se de chi no okwa mu aka kire o se aban de mo asase na ma abrofo ana abrofo ni to god ni free Ghana ekoto na ma no ne eti wo sika no wo nyi bi but me de ba meba no minu mienu nyina be ye enomwa utu ni ache ufa de ma fam de And I no news and I'm na abrante bi ka se or joining illegal man the best 2 weeks no to TV me back o the back man man no back see there.
Okay.
It is sa adwino and am de to e mabru ne trim. Ye bi se o samanfo e mo makonya se yentum yenya mining. Yenya legal mining. E we communities no how no mabua ama community no etumpon. Se abanya nkoso antaskia make sure say sa companies niamom kwanya so munya mine wo communities no alpha development anko ho abanya mpia development anko ho dia ene galamse korean forget it because say ne kai say uka obi abondin bia so nyamia enso se ada say eti one akwhye kokwama wo sa nyama gu nsuo nim
nsamafo no a
why na yesa
nsamafo no a
Ojinwa won't ya see it. How? And you be an eagle, I'm saying no. And you be so nim oche. Badwam penny, yes, what the community mind yaba. The question is the solution because now if we cry can say and no cry no a galam say in another form. Community mind and somebody abano. Na na if we say a galamsey in another form amodi or sajefo amotio for repenting the second or checking in the car was say community man no who say a galamsey in another form and ye jeja kotakwa baby two both side ye two god near the day who do one ma oh no che e put to be na wo et ye di bre asu amabru ne so se wonya galamse nom ye mi se asu ye wo se et susu ampa se metem asase so ne yesi sika wa ha me yesi ma me mfa bi because me ni hu to me kratas me kwa kofa bi matem ho ase ne ye won ma ne kwa so me fa no so fa no wa ma ne nyina so no de ko ne krom et se bi o mentem me krom na japade o masase kwa bra ne me fa nko abra me nya bi ni. Why? What do you want me to say? Me say ko obo mo hwe obo ase be ka kire wo. Akwanye enwuma ni ho. E mabro wa bra boy basa. Et who the ni bra wo the soldier for ekon. They will fight them. My penny, I'm telling you. They will continue to fight the soldiers day on. Yeah, encourage you so many years but see e ni bre. Let's set up as your mind. Now all you know crowd them say membreka. Like in here because process now all you from asana baba than if na kasaria na expensive in here. Come out tears you craft out to volume so. I let you mama be obia. Lily, me say adapadie be wo Ghana be say your gold, bauxite, diamond, oil. About for 10%. Why? Yen di adio. Yen di adio. Yen. Yamu ye mobo.
Nyame de bi ohu ye mobo. Akaso yen be hu ye hu mobo. Because enye nyame de hu ye mobo a nke bi kura nke nyeni. Nyame de bi ohu ye mobo. Okay.
National Science and Maths quiz so. Miami School, I'm upon senior high school. For the first time. Yaba national.
Yo, mutrinkwa.
Yaba yenso. Yemfanya agudie. In fact, check my job online cry. A chrosa many upon. More than more your first round at the national level, no. Ne kwanimu yepa. Yakasa yenyamanum St. Monica's. Yerobochi to form say jujura.
Okay.
So
as far as democracy is concerned,
yeah, quite more sir. We are democracy as a
that brother mama no say.
Me one say ide.
As far as democracy is concerned, what's the wajing? Into the yate Monica for so some more mam watching. To know.
It's have any possible high school. Why are their voice more day? Talk about you, sir. Well, now see a queer do Yakomo more laptops.
Oh, okay.
Ya more router.
Okay.
Because laptop na ba say one for internet and come one. Typing kwa na beye. Ti amom so betimi akoso so dey research any ade nyina. You be so at how much is a headmistress now ban or bon modern.
Okay.
In fact, under your regime, and I'm many upon senior high school, and ya kwenya about national contest of national science and math quiz. Eti ye can yet mean frame. Man, why are there? Ye also never cost what tawachi, send me any so do know what in school no. A bit me akoso abamti. Ye da boys ne swase, omokoso, and you know sa.
Joe. I boys school, how many
and your boys get mixed. Many boys school there, na me intimi. Yeah, boys school there.
Pacho, adomonline.com my achi.
Girls school.
There be man call girls
school.
Me call miss school. Me call assume senior high school.
And that one.
As a causa.
Me ma fra. You who be. No, you see.
Na.
All do say who free me school ba. Bibi anyo ngonwe bi mo wiase o.
Wiase wo ho. You say don't judge a book. What you say?
By its cover.
As a causa na make no. Wo mpedu ate ho a wo kire wadwen. Se woni memu nipa saafo no wo hia wo mo a. Wo hia wo mo a. Aya na ye o say omo call presec no bi. Omo call projos no bi. Omo call sectech no bi. Omo call cirrhosis no bi. Na so omo call as a causa.
Yes.
As senior high school.
Yes.
Me na make a kire wo. Wo de tla ho na wa we no.
Me fi no.
Ewiase ahene pa na nkasa. Eshafuo mu pa sese kra de ho abie kakra.
Okay.
Me call me times na eshafuo mu. Ho ye nwuram kakra but ye haka.
Yeah.
Ye wonimde.
Eno ano.
Ye nimode.
Eno ano.
Asekfo nyina me mamache.
Chiamo.
I'm a proud Asekoza.
Okay.
Asekan. Onti asia ambedu dede. Ambedu be da kan de akere wo. Chia. Tre wafa tre adomonline.com ye. Muna mo dwell on a previous glory no. Muna mo dwell on previous glory no. Muma ye nwe ye ho a. Asak for me mamachi a. You can say adomonline.com kwesi odi asembeba o. Ti amas with abedu. Okay, TI mass withdrawals from the 2022 NSMQ. Into no, not to say. Woman from yes,
yeah.
Nah.
I'm free. I'm so free.
Well, we are say could do baby to me sign. Tia no handsome no. Why Kisia Jabe should rest? Hey, there be me who broke. Why Kisia Jabe should recuse himself from Galamsey? Titus Glover ena eka. Asem no so question mark ni ho ana me na me ho brofo ne.
Eno ano.
Okay. Think as I say question mark. Okay. Well, whatever it is no, Titus Glover na ebisa special prosecutor Kisia Jabe say wafa. Why Kisia Jabe should recuse himself from Galamsey?
Yeah.
No, asembeba de bi Titus manchiremu ni enti ono so bisa Kisia Jabe sa asem no enti adomonline.com no ebema osanti ase no na oka wo ye nuanom Adom FM for ho
yes
okay
we say yeah
kom kakra okay mpacho ye kom kakra se na be ya behu ni enti a ora Titus Global oka sa asem no enti ye kom kakra no enie ena odahayi ena woka say na utie no abetimi so atie audio no wo adomonline.com but audio nim no de kan ni bi ne say former member of parliament Tamais constituency Titus Glover has urged the special prosecutor Kisia Jabe to recuse himself from probing some public officials over their alleged involvement in illegal mining. Okay, so he believes Mr. Jabe's interest and investigations are a step in the right direction. However, the NPP guru says it is best he, Mr. Jabe, allows any of his deputies to take charge of the investigation. Samum. The special prosecutor on Monday announced he has begun investigating some public officials over their alleged involvement in illegal mining. Enti ahefo nim sem se na no special kwesi Peter wokan say fam goodie to for no nam kwatikwa so be rere almost 7 eno na titles global and so she say yes it's a good step but Ninyuma phone be na be phone be yeah. So the investigation, he said, targets some officials of the Lands Ministry, the Forestry Commission, and the dissolved Inter-Ministerial Committee on Illegal Mining. In a statement, the office said there is also an ongoing inquiry into allegations of use of public office for profit against Charles Bissiou during his tenure as secretary to the IMCIM based on an investigative documentary by Tiger IPI. But according to Mr. Titus Glover, Mr. Jabin recusing himself wore allay fears of prejudicial conclusions, considering the fact that he was a lawyer for investigative journalist Anas Arimiya Anas Tiger IPI team prior to his appointment. Okay. It is good that the OSP, Office of the Special Prosecutor, has gotten involved in it, and we need to encourage the OSP. We need all the transparency that is required out of this to help deal with the menace completely. But he should allow his deputies to do this, he said on Asempa FM. Ekosi saying so. Wanu anano no ye lawyer na okura nsem no. Why is that title so on some man deputy menye? Because yeah. Okay. Pacho menya nti ase no. Mate ase no. Okay. Nti no titles nso chire mu fa asem no. Eho no eno no. Nti kwasi me say na wage agba MC appeals to Akufo-Addo to operationalize Empire Cement Factory. Nti senka ejuma no wo mo hyem kena nka mabuin ne nam hoyi a fish yinyiye ye omo ne nam wage adam ni mo chichie ka omo koye ejuma cement factory nti eno so ho asem eno no nti mpacho kwasi the bonkrata no.
Okay, lady mamifa daily graphic and daily guide and twaso I'll say 115,240 graduates begin national service November 1.
Okay.
Illegal mining prosecutions, 187 jailed in Eastern region. 250 people on trial. Comes to the picture of Godfrey Adom, Attorney General and Minister for Justice. Daily guide. Government committee takes input for IMF deal. Apostle Nyamecha blast fake pastors. Pentecost chairman. I shall want not my client, Freddie Blay. And I can say, police officer, 5 others in 1.6 million Ghana cedis job scam. AG secures 187 convictions in Galamsey trials. Daily guide, and so anyway, quickly, my Ghanaian Times, and so and to us, say. Oshimens and somewhat Yadika graphic no Sadia Babam showing NRA tax to include nuclear power in country energy mix. 2 foreigners sentenced 20 years for illegal mining in Bepwase. And the Ghanaian Times the honor so at the bar no pay. And most will be My Joy Online.
My Joy Online so in the Etano Nimri Forest Reserve site structures belonging to Wontumi's mining company destroyed. Tano Nimri Forest Reserve site structures belonging to Wontumi's mining company destroyed. We will come after you. Jinapo wants big men involved in Galamsey. Intino Brad Jinapo na ayese no na chese mo ye ba mo so. Enti Brad Jinapo se obekwa na se we no ye mafumafo no ye so ye te ha ye hwe o. Enti no Brad Jinapo why ade se o masa akokobo no but ye te ha. Uyi big men ni pia ye de ya no beka. When you mo mpie so na koya no se mo Brad Jinapo ye de ya no beka. Enti ye da sefa na mo to no kra. Eti Ghana, 142 others vote to reject Russia's attempted annexation of 4 Ukrainian regions. Well, eti sa ho na Russia for person omo Ukraine for me aye 9 no. Amukwa abato no na je say 142 others votes reject. Omanyantum tie no ho asem eno no. And our family house of Dumpim Pepesa chief bench bodyguard in jail. Sa Pepesa mi ka se nan say ye whole story
bia na ohene ni beka se mekuduka enim galam se ekoso otakwa no ho bi no hyemu bi the bodyguard na ese enura nkrofobia ko otwa no ene say other 3 people been so ewo
enti nana beka asa no na ye twajatum no ene ye pra ne bodyguard
o connect ya ebia ensupi bemmom ye say assembi safua ene ko hina sembi pono
whatever it is no pamcho DSC eno no enti IMF deal president's budget must be out Mahama ena eka say the fact that mampani Brakwa Ekuado ede Ghana for kwa IMF no home budget no say otumi me beda abontin because Ghana for nti na wokọ de say otumi ma Ghana for no home budget no nti Bra Mahama na aka kire Bra Ekufuado eno ho asem eno no e wo myjoyonline.com kwesi
Lady T Mamifa the new crusade guy the bokata memfa enwie or see Ghana committed to protecting refugees asylum seekers Ken Atefa and Eka say Dombo family honors Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Baumia with chieftaincy title. The new crusade guide anyway eba enwie.
Okay, nti kwasi yenyina no so fancy wo ho na mechia ora osei Pajaro owo ejiso osei Pajaro na no papa ne mami analysis bia otimi hu say TV friend say Adom TV no efi ahomachia kosi na ahomachi bi no wonim ni nyina hu ye na najo 12 nyina wonim ni nyina so your former new plan executive osei Pajaro mpacho papa no pay yemwache yedase papa panso so and a happy birthday sonkoma Dr. Michael Bwedi Nyameche Makers House Chapel. Papa, happy birthday to you. Na fensa no pe yama omai hene kwabena sante yako ene ne nuanom ene nabusuafo nyina. Nti bra pani kafra shedding. Yema mwache.